Take a look at this. See if you can notice what this is. I'm trying to show you. You see? Can you tell? Can you tell what this is? Who guessed that this is a grapevine and these are my grapes? Yeah. So this grapevine looks so bad. You know, the grapevines look real bad. And I almost took it out because nothing really grew. You know, the leaves grew. And I think this one, particular one, was infected with some bugs last year. Now, this is another one. I have three of them actually. This one didn't have grapes, bunches of grapes at this time, and it was the smallest one. And you know, we had that freeze, so a lot of my leaves froze. And this one seems to be growing the slowest. But guess what? All of them have some grapes on them. Some baby. See how the freeze? See, so a lot of them shot out really early, and especially with my fig tree. And then this is what happened. Yeah. So look now. Would y'all believe Holy Spirit? And I have even more leaves growing, more bunches I see said to cover these grapes up. And I have learned before, and sometimes you think, cover my grapes up? Oh, I don't need to learn this lesson again. Yes, Holy Spirit. So I'm out here covering my grapes up. And the birds be out here just a going, and this is out here, that's out here. So I was trying to see how to cover them up. So this is the best I could do. And they're pretty much covered, and I can still water them and they can still get some direct sun. So we'll see how this works. This is my first time doing it. Now on this particular one, that's why I say thank you, Holy Spirit. Look, something is bitten the top part. See? They didn't take my little bunch of grapes, but my